Okay, one function I find very handy in these, I think pretty much all the tools do them, but it's worth having a look in the Autel. So I've changed the battery and it loses time and date. It needs time and date for a lot of systems, including the service history and stuff. So I have to use a diagnostic system anyway to register a new battery. So once we've gone into it, it's very quick on BMW. This is the strongest point of the Autel. Everything does Volkswagen stuff. This is brilliant on BMWs. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to bother scanning for any faults at the moment because I know there isn't any. It's only in for a stop-start issue, which is caused by two separate faults. A brake vacuum sensor with a software update and a weak battery. So it's just loading up. This is fast. Believe me, there's a lot of stuff it does on BMs, so if it takes a minute to get everything ready, I'm not too concerned because it's brilliant. A couple of things with BMWs. Obviously this will do software updates and whatnot. If you're doing an F-Chassis BMW, now if it's an early F-Chassis, it won't have an FEM module, and you can just do it through the normal Diagnostic plug. If it's a F-Chassis one with an FEM module, which is pretty much all of them, it's just the really early ones that didn't, you have to use your splitter cable, your Ethernet, and if you have a 908 Pro, you'll have an Ethernet socket. If you've got an Elite, you don't have an Ethernet socket, you need an adapter. None of which came with the kit, except for the Ethernet cable. The rest, so it was a bit useless. You had to buy all the other bits. Luckily, I get on quite well with Autel people and my parts dealers because I do spend lots of money, and they just sent the stuff out to me for free. So yeah, we fitted a new battery, but we don't have any time and date. So before I even program the battery, if you just go in and tell it you're about to do a service reset, you don't have to do the service reset. It will just automatically update your time and date to the vehicle. And there you go, that fault is gone. It is, right, so I don't want to do any resetting. It is important that the vehicle does have the correct time and date in it. Otherwise it messes with the service side of things, and it can mess with a couple of other systems. Nothing drastic, like causing you running problems, but it's nice to do it right. And obviously you can do your battery programming. Now it asks you lots of little questions, but if you've got excuse me, the same type and same capacity battery as the original, just ignore all the questions. Is it a genuine component? Why not? It's not. But no, there's no data matrix. No, there's no part numbers. There you go. It's coded. It's the same type of AGM battery, and it's the same amperage. So, job done. There you go. There's lots of funny quirks on BMWs. This will do so much stuff, but sometimes you have to know how to navigate your way to find it. So I will add more videos about BMW stuff, but that was literally just a quick way of setting the time and date and registering a battery replacement. Bye.